So I've been riding the EU version of the Radrunner around Copenhagen for almost a year now. I'm riding 30 kilometers a day to and from work, meaning I've probably ridden a few thousand kilometers already. In this video, I'm going to share my experiences with riding the Radrunner on a daily basis. The Radrunner has a maximum motor speed of 25 kilometers an hour, and this is basically the fastest the bike can go when riding on flat roads. As I mentioned in my original video, the pedals lose grip at speeds over 25 kilometers an hour due to the lack of gears. So only when going downhill can the bike go faster. Except when low on battery, I'm always riding the bike at the highest level of pedal assist. In daily use, the Radrunner is fast out of the gate and you will likely easily overtake other riders, especially on hills. Now I'm fairly heavy, but even with light pedaling, I'm always fast out of the gate compared to other riders. However, due to the max speed, other riders with gears can overtake you once they get up to speed using their higher gears, or when going downhill where the pedals on the Radrunner don't supply additional torque. It's during these situations that I would like to have gears. The 25 kilometers an hour limit basically means that I can't ride faster even if I pedal harder. Given that the Plus version of the Radrunner is available with gears, I would recommend getting this version if the budget allows. As for the screen that comes with the Plus version, this is something I haven't been missing. I actually feel it's better not having a screen if you park the bike in public, as it attracts less attention without a screen. Regarding riding the bike in rain and slippery roads, the size and width of the wheels means it's not super stable. On slippery roads, the wheels can slide if taking a sharp turn. Luckily, in Copenhagen, we can bring our bikes on the local train for free, so I seldom ride the bike in rain. Now, speaking of wheel size, they sound quite noisy when riding on paved roads. The sound is so loud that people will turn their heads to see what's coming. I added the small original basket to the bike, which is handy for carrying stuff. Do note that the basket is only the size of an A4 sheet of paper, so it won't fit any larger items. Luckily, it's very sturdy, so you can place larger items on top using straps. I'm also quite pleased with the seat upgrade. The suspension built into the seat post means that the bike is relatively comfortable riding over longer distances and over smaller potholes. I did experience a flat tire once when I ran over a nail or something and it got stuck in my back wheel. I had to take the wheel off and bring it to a bike mechanic. The bike shop didn't have and couldn't even order a spare tube for the tire. Online, there was only one shop who had the correct tube size. They were even sold out at the Rad web shop. So I bought the tube online and brought it to the bike mechanic so he could replace it. I paid him 30 euros, which I consider a bargain compared to fiddling with the tire and tube replacement myself. Given that the bike is super heavy and I ride it quite hard, always at maximum pedal assist, the brakes take quite a beating. I've had to adjust the brakes every few weeks to keep them effective. It would be nice with hydraulic brakes, but this is quite an upgrade, so I recommend maintaining and adjusting the brakes regularly. Now, if you want to see my video on replacing the brake pads, make sure you subscribe and give this video a like, and you will get notified as soon as it goes live.